Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about if influencers have a responsibility towards their audience. Of course they do. This is not going to be a political or general social sciences wala thing. That's a separate topic. I'm not going to talk about how and why should influencers talk about politics. This is just in general um, things that influencers owe you little bit. I think influencers, creators, anybody. I think anybody who has a public account and who has followers, people who they don't know in real life, and they don't follow back or whatever. Like I think that makes sense. So I think they owe you a lot of shit. Like especially people who are full-time content creators. Even if you're a part-time content creator, I think like if you have an audience, you are responsible for something. Like you should think before you speak. And this is not any moral policing. This is not about what happened in that one show, whatever. That is a very separate case. Maybe we'll talk about that later or not. I don't know. But this is just in general, just things you do or say on your stories or your reels or your channel, whatever, matter a lot. A lot of people will comment here, nobody's influencing me to do anything. I don't care what influencers say, but you have to realize there are certain people who follow this one person or that one person religiously. There are people, अगर आपके 1 लाख फॉलोअर हैं उसमें से आई कैन बेट कम से कम 10 फॉलोअर ऐसे होंगे जो आपकी हर रील देखते हैं, आपकी हर स्टोरी देखते हैं, आपकी हर चीज़ से दे आर लाइक कनेक्टेड एंड दे दे लिव योर लाइफ विद यू. So they do get influenced, no matter they accept it or not, but they do kind of get, like, if you watch somebody every day, you do get influenced by their actions. So even if you don't accept it, there are people getting influenced by people online. Everything is, I think, influenced by people online. That is what is shaping our generation and our world, which is super sad, but like, yeah. So I think they owe you a lot of things. For example, when I don't know if you know, but I posted a story on my Instagram saying, guys, I ate 2 aloo parathas instead of 4. Are you guys proud of me? So people who already follow me know me कि that was not, I would never promote ED or anything like don't eat food or eat less food. I would never promote that. But if you are like, even if you are an old person following me or like a new person following me, you would still be like, Trish is eating less food. I should also, like, maybe that's how it works. No, it doesn't. I put an explanation story for it later because I regretted posting that. Not regretted, but like I was just like, that was a stupid story to post on a public platform. Because why should people be proud of me for eating less? Nobody, like, why am I eating less? That's why I explained that in the video, that I had juice and everything and it was really hot and I was eating in the kitchen and I was just frustrated, and that's why I did not eat 3 parathas or 4 parathas because I was already full. So I just feel like, and it did make a difference. A lot of people did text me when I posted that apology video nahi, matlab explanation video. People texted me, thanks for posting that. Like at least I can count 10 to 15 people texted me about that, and I was like, I'm so glad I posted that because I don't want people to think eating less is a thing. I do think, if I don't even feel like, so obviously when a person gets a lot of followers, they don't feel it. I don't feel it honestly, but I don't see it as 1,83,000 whatever, 83,000, 85, however amount, 1,85,000 people. I don't see that. I don't realize how big that number is. Okay. Every time like somebody makes me realize, I'm just like, oh shit, that is crazy. So I see it as very less. It is kind of less compared to like people who have a very big following. So imagine the level of responsibility those people have. मतलब अभी मुझे उतने में ही इतनी फील हो रही है कि oh my god, I should explain myself. And this is not like a bad thing कि oh shit, I have to explain everything to people who follow me. Yeah. I'm not saying like explain everything about my life, but if I'm putting something out on the internet, I think I have a little bit responsibility to tell people why am I doing, what am I doing and why am I doing that. Like if I'm showing that on the internet, if I'm saying that out loud on the internet, I think it's so crucial. Like everybody is like posting anything at this point, like कुछ भी डाल देते हैं, कुछ भी, मतलब of course I get the whole I want to get the bag thing, because I also want to get that bag. I might, like, I have posted a lot of promotional, not a lot, but like few, but I will, and you all know it. You will see it. There is obviously, they're very visible that they are ads or a promotional video, and that is fine. Like, ads are fine by me. A lot of people are just posting ads at this point. I've seen a lot of pages just post ads. They have a big following and they're just posting ads. A lot of people promote stuff that is not even real. I saw somebody promoting some brand who fat loss something, but it obviously that is not helping your fat loss. Nothing helps your fat loss except like eating clean food and walking 10k steps, or like working out, or like just being active in general. If you do skipping, walking, running, cycling, whatever, like these are the only two things: kitchen and outdoor workout, gym, whatever. That's two things that can help you with workout. No other drink, or obviously things can boost your metabolism, एंड वो भी इतना क्रेजी लेवल पे कुछ नहीं होता. अगर वो हो रहा होता तो सब पतले हो जाते या सब मोटे हो जाते, जो भी. मतलब पीपल हु सेल थिंग्स लाइक this will make you gain weight, this will make you lose weight, this is whenever I see a reel like that on my For You page, I'm just like, and people are following them. People are, because, and you know what, you can't crib about famous people. Why is this person famous? What is this? Because you are the person you are the people. Huh? What? I don't know yaar. Thoda sar dard ho gaya. Back to my point, actually. Back to my point, I think they have a very heavy responsibility towards everybody who follows them, and to promote things they believe in. Sometimes it's fine, like to get that back, ठीक है. मैं समझता हूँ कभी कभार पैसे की दिक्कत होती है भाई. कभी कभार लोगों को फ़ोन चाहिए होता है, जैसे कि मुझे चाहिए. तो बट हाँ, मतलब, but in general, if you are like posting normal content and it's not an ad, I think you should be very mindful of whatever you are saying, or just talking about, even if it's your life. I think you should, I'm not saying be fake on the internet, but don't post things that might influence people in a wrong way. You know what I mean? If you don't know a different way to post it. Right now, a lot of people have asked me to tell them how I lost weight and what did I do, whatever. I think I am not smart enough in that field to help you out actually without saying something wrong that will influence you into doing something wrong. Not that I've lost weight in any unhealthy ways, but like, my process was my process. It was not like a planned out thing. Mostly weight loss is just a mindset, genuinely. अभी नहीं चल रहा है मेरा दिमाग तो मेरा weight अटका हुआ है. But like, I generally don't have enough information I can give to you to like give you an informed process of what I did. What if I accidentally say something that will, make someone do the wrong thing, and I don't want to do that. That's why I've not made a video on that. Maybe I'll make a video on that later. But yeah, there are a lot of things that people ask me to talk about. Sometimes they ask me to talk about like relationships and stuff. Not that informed yet. मतलब भाई लोग मुझसे पूछते रहते हैं कि भाई ब्रेकअप हो गया, हील कैसे करें. मुझे नहीं पता भाई. सॉरी यार, ये टॉपिक कहाँ से आ रहा था बार बार. बट लाइक हाँ, कुछ चीज़ों के बारे में मुझे भी अच्छे से नहीं पता है. लाइक जेन्युइनली यार, हीलिंग क्या होती है मुझे अभी तक नहीं पता है. यू जस्ट गो विद द फ्लो. You just live your life. Sometimes it gets better, sometimes it gets worse. You just have to be there, you just have to exist, honestly. You can always try to be happy, but you just have to stay there. मतलब भाई मिट्टी आ जा रही है but अब आ रही है, क्या कर सकते हैं. बहुत बेकार मेटाफर था. But yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Please subscribe. Yeah, please. Thank you.